In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Tradingview step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, click on Settings and Billing. This will take you to your account settings page. Now, go to the account settings section. Here, you'll see your current email address along with an option to change it. Click on Change Email. Tradingview will first ask you to verify your identity by sending a code to your current email address. Check your inbox, copy the verification code and enter it on the screen. Once verified, enter your new email address carefully and confirm the change. After saving, your email will be updated and all future notifications will go to your new address. That's it. Now you know how to change your email address on Tradingview. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.